Hey, SaaSpreneurs and high levelers, welcome to day two of our 30-day Go High Level Mastery Challenge, where I teach you one simple trick that you can implement in your business today to grow your SaaS agency. So, today we're going to look at one big mindset shift that helped me fast track my Go High Level agency is sell first, create next. So all of us wait for that perfect moment where you want all your ducks to line up. You want everything to be ready. You want a perfect looking funnel. You look at automations, you look at payment processor, you do everything other than selling. And then when you're ready, then you spiral down self-doubt because you feel it's not good enough. You try to perfect it. So one thing that really helped me fast track was this mentality that I need market validation for my product because I think the market needs it, but the market might tell me otherwise. So, what is one thing that helped me fast track is sell first, create next. This I've been doing this all my life, even with my mentoring days. Before my clients go and launch a course, I'll be like, go do a soft launch, go do a beta launch, and get people to pay or get people to sign up for your beta program in exchange for testimonials. So always sell first, create next. So in terms of high level, the very first big client that I got, like new client, not my current clients migrating to high level, new client was from a ClickFunnels event. So I say this, if you want to sell high level, go attend a ClickFunnels event. So I attended one of the recent online events and I had my banner. I called myself a high level certified admin and I got two clients. So trust me, that really works. So go to a ClickFunnels event and sell high level. That's one trip. But when I went to that event in Brisbane in person, people were building funnels on ClickFunnels, and I didn't want to build funnels on ClickFunnels. So I was teaching people in my table. Basically, I think four or five different businesses on my table. So I was teaching them because I started my life with ClickFunnels back in 2019. So I was telling them like I'm using a different tool, I'm trialing it, I'm not going back to ClickFunnels. I could be loyal to the platform because of these limitations. So the organizer of that event, the upsell he had was for $18,000, right? So I actually mapped out the entire business and funnel in a piece of paper, and she loved it, right? So she came up to me and said, "Look, he's going to charge me 18 grand to do this. I'm sure you'll get to that pricing very soon. I don't care what tool you use, but I want you to build whatever you mapped out on a piece of paper using the tool that you use to grow my business." And she asked for my BSB and account number and she transferred $5,000 on my table on the spot. And I was like, wow. So I struggled to sell $3,000 coaching when I was in the coaching space. But this one, a transfer of 5 grand on the table when I did not know the platform while I was still learning. So I literally got paid to learn the platform and implement it. And she is one of my clients who has upsold herself again and again, coming back to us. And now, we are looking at franchising in different regions. And, she's literally spent more than 35,000 with us. So when the client understands the value, they'll come to you. But what you have to do to get the client is sell. So stop spending lots of days, lots of hours, lots of weeks and months perfecting your offer. Throw it to the market. Let the market validate that it is a valid offer that people are willing to pay. Unless you have that validation, there's no point in you spending time. Like I do not spend time going and creating a product unless the market validates, pays me to go and build it. So your tip for today is sell first, create next. So let me know how you go. If you have any questions, feel free to drop a comment and I will answer those questions for you. I'll see you all tomorrow in another interesting tip to grow your SaaS business.